I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Caesar pasta salad. Start by gathering and measuring your ingredients so you have everything ready to go. Cook 12 ounces of pasta until al dente, then chill briefly. While pasta cools, prepare the dressing with egg yolks, garlic, lemon, olive oil, and anchovies. Chop romaine and grate parmesan. This prep makes assembly fast and keeps textures bright and crunchy for serving. Combine egg yolks, minced garlic, anchovies, lemon juice, and Dijon in a bowl and whisk until smooth. Slowly drizzle in 1 cup of olive oil while whisking continuously to create a creamy emulsion. Taste and adjust with salt, pepper, and a teaspoon of Worcestershire for depth. If the dressing is too thick, thin with a tablespoon of cold water. Chill briefly so flavors meld before tossing with pasta and greens. If you're enjoying this recipe guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading recipes anywhere a breeze, with a sharp display and long battery life that fits easily in your kitchen drawer. It's perfect for following step by step while you cook, or for relaxing with a cookbook after dinner. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Drain pasta and toss it with enough dressing to coat each piece, allowing warm pasta to absorb flavor for the best texture. Add chopped romaine and grated parmesan, folding gently to combine without wilting the greens. Taste and adjust seasoning with lemon or salt if needed. Finish with crunchy croutons and an extra dusting of parmesan right before serving. Serve immediately for crisp contrast, or chill briefly for a colder pasta salad experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.